Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, Bose sound system, XM satellite radio, running boards, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, four-wheel drive, moonroof. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.